In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this super easy glittery look. I think this might be one of my favorite looks I've ever done, and it's super easy as well, which makes it even better. Now, if you're new to the Makeup Chair channel and you are not subscribed and you like tutorials like this, I might suggest actually subscribing. All you have to do is press the button below, and if you're already subscribed, then thank you and welcome back. Now let's get started in creating this super easy look that is definitely one of my favorites ever. For this look, you're only going to need 2 eyeshadows, a light and a dark, and some glitter, which I'm really excited to show you. So I've already started off by applying some eyeshadow primer all over the lid. This is going to create a blank canvas for us to work on while also giving our eyeshadows something to hold on to as well. So that way they're going to last longer for us and also pop a little bit more. You're also going to need 2 eyeshadow brushes for this look. I'm going to be starting off with a blending brush. This is the Blank Canvas Cosmetics E26. What I like about this is it's kind of flat, but also it blends at the same time. So it's kind of like a 2-for-1. And I'll show you a little way that you can really maximize how you use this type of brush. And we're going to apply the first eyeshadow using that, and we're taking the kind of lighter shade. So this should be at least 1 shade darker than your skin tone, and it has to be matte as well. That's very important. So we're going to take a little bit of that eyeshadow on that blending brush. We're going to hold the brush quite low on the handle, keeping it quite low in the face. And we're going to apply this above the lid, but also onto the lid. But we also want to start in that kind of crease area. So the crease area is kind of above the lid area. If you don't have one, or maybe you have a hoodedness or something, just applying a little bit of shadow here can kind of recede that and create more depth. So we're just going to start there. And once we have a little bit in the crease, we can then kind of drag it down onto the lid. But you always want to start in the crease and then bring it down, slowly building this up as you go. I often get asked questions about the best techniques for hooded eyes, and this really is it. It's all about creating a little bit of a contour and depth and receding any of that hoodedness back to create more dimension. So we're just going to slowly build this up, applying a little bit above the lid, bringing it then down onto the lid, slowly working this onto the eye shape. Don't worry too much about blending, because then we are going to take the brush and we're going to flip it so that it's not horizontal, it's more vertical. And this is going to help blend the eyeshadow upwards, because we want to make sure it fades up to nothing. It should pretty much have depth right in that crease line and then pretty much fade upwards towards the brows, and you can't tell where it stops or starts. So keep the brush moving over and back and slowly blend this out. And you should eventually end up with something that looks like this. And as you can see, it creates kind of a contoured look to the eye shape and just brings it out a little bit more. Now for the lid, we're going to apply some of that glitter. This is the Blank Canvas Cosmetics Modern Bling Eyeliner. I believe this is an exclusive for Boots, so I'll put the link in the description box. I don't have a discount code, but I'll put the link for you. And I love this. It's like a champagne-y kind of shade with beautiful kind of silvery tones of glitter running through it. It's so perfect. So I just applied this on the center of the lid, and then I just use my fingertips to tap it out, and it's that easy. It's amazing how quickly it can transform your eye makeup look, and they'll just set by themselves. You don't have to apply anything extra, just leave it like this. Then we're going to take our second brush. So this is a pencil brush. This is the Blank Canvas Cosmetics E23. And we're going to take that chocolate shade. I think this is by MAC. And what we're going to do is apply a little bit of this on the outer edge using that pencil brush. And I only want you guys just to tap it on the outer edge. Don't kind of blend anything yet. Just kind of get it on there on that outer third and a little bit underneath the eyes as well. And then once it's on there, you can then start to kind of tap and blend and smudge it. If you kind of smudge as you're applying and getting the eyeshadow on the eye, it can kind of go muddy. So the best thing to do is a stamping motion of like pressing it on and then smudging it. And I'm using that small brush to kind of just smudge it. If I use a slightly bigger brush, it would go kind of too blurry and kind of muddy. So just by using a smaller brush, it gives us a little bit more control. And then you should end up with something that looks like this. All you have to do then is to apply some lashes if you want to, lots of mascara, and you are good to go. I really hope you guys enjoy this one. It literally took me, oh gosh, maybe like 5 minutes to do this look. It was just so quick, so simple. I hope you guys liked it. If you do recreate it, then definitely let me know, and I'll put some links in the description box for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and I do have a giveaway on my Instagram at the moment, so go and check that out. Okay, bye my friends. Stay safe, stay well, be kind to yourself, and I'll hopefully see you on Monday, which is my birthday. Okay, bye. Someone told me my voice was really annoying, and it's made it really difficult to do this voiceover. And I've been told it many times before, but it's so in my head. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Bye for now.